Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Today is Vlogtober day 3. You see, I came back again. Well, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make Guyanese roti. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make your roti fluffy, flaky and tasty. Alright, I already have a roti video up on my channel, but I'll leave that link in the description box down below. This version of how I'm doing my roti now is a little different, so I'm gonna show you guys it today. My roti, I'm gonna be eating my roti with some chicken curry, and also I'll leave the link in the description box down below to see how to make my chicken curry as well. Alright, so I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Guyanese roti. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, today is Vlogtober day 3. You see, I'm surviving so far. I still have whole month to upload as well for you guys every day, so don't forget to please come back every single day, every morning, to watch a new recipe from me. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Take care, enjoy. Hi guys, well today we're gonna be making some Guyanese oil roti. So I have my flour here, and then we have some warm water, ghee, melted butter and some baking powder. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I also put half a teaspoon of salt into my flour here. So what you're gonna do now is put your baking powder into your flour. Alright, and then you're gonna put in your melted butter. You can use melted butter or you can use oil. Today I'm gonna use melted butter, and then I'm gonna mix it up together just like this. Alright, and then we're gonna add some warm water. Pour it in slowly at a time. Alright, slowly at a time. Just keep doing it like this. Perfect. So now you're gonna form a dough. Alright, you're gonna form a dough. You can scrape off all the sides from your bowl here and form your dough. If it gets too sticky, all you have to do is just put a little bit of flour as well. Okay, so I'm gonna form my dough now, so we'll be back. I'm trying to make the video short as possible for you guys. Alright, so we'll be back when I finish forming my dough. Okay guys, so we're back. So this is my roti here. I formed my dough into a ball. So you're gonna put it back into the bowl, and you're gonna get a wet paper towel, and you're gonna rest the wet paper towel on it like this, and let it rest for about 20 to half an hour. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been half an hour. So you're gonna take off the wet paper towel and put a little flour. Put a little flour on my hands. So what you're gonna do is just pull them off like that, just like this. Probably can get about 5 small roti. Alright, so we put these aside. We start off with this one here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just put it in flour, just like this. Take some flour as well and put it on your roti, your rolling pin, and you're gonna roll it out. All right, you're gonna roll it out. So we'll be back. So what you're gonna do now, when you finish roll it out, you're gonna take some, I have some melted butter here. You're gonna take some melted butter and you're gonna rub it all over. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take a knife, or in this case I'm using a pizza cutter, and then you're just gonna roll it all the way around very tightly, just like this. All right, when you reach the end here, you push it into the bottom here. All right, and then at the top you just push it in, and then you're gonna take some butter again and you just rub it all over like this. Like I said, you can use butter or you can use oil, whichever you want to use. All right, okay, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished rolling out all 5 of my small roti. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover this again and let this rest for another half an hour, and then we're gonna roll it out. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay guys, it's been half an hour, so I have one of my small mini dough here. So I'm gonna press this down, put it in the flour, put some flour also on my rolling pin, and you're gonna roll out your roti. All right, you're gonna roll it out into a circle. Okay guys, so I've finished rolling out my mini roti here, so I'm gonna put it into my pan now. Today I'm just gonna be using a frying pan, but you can use a towel or a skillet, but I'm gonna use my pan. So I'm gonna put my roti now into my pan here. We'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna put my roti into the pan, just like this. Okay, so when you see that it starts getting like these air pockets, like bubbles, you're gonna take a brush and you're gonna put in your, you can put oil or you can put ghee. I'm gonna put ghee today. All right, make sure you put the ghee all over the roti, just like this. And then when you're done, you're gonna flip it over. Flip it over, and you can put ghee now on the other side as well. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so it's done now, so you're gonna take it off, and it's hot. I'm gonna put on the other one, and then we're going to clap this one. We'll be back. Okay, so this is the roti here, so I'm going to show you how to clap it. Just gonna lift it up and just clap it like this to form the layers. It's hot. Oh, so you're gonna fold it over like this. See, this is how you get the layers for your roti. We'll be back. So I have another one here. This is the last one, so I'm gonna clap it and let you guys see again. So you're gonna lift it up and you just put like a couple of claps on it, just like this. Oh, it's so hot. All right, and this is how you form the layers for your roti. All right. Oh, my dinner is gonna be so delicious. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the end results from my Guyanese roti. You see my roti is soft, fluffy, and flaky. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna eat my roti with some chicken curry. This is my chicken curry I also did. So I'm gonna eat my 2 rotis with my chicken curry tonight. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you haven't looked at my chicken curry videos yet, go and look at that one. Alright, so follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so see you tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 4. Thank you guys so much for your support. Bye.